upside down to make a wider base.
They try to get the
tire
out.
Yeah, they're trying to get the tire off still. They haven't got the new tire.
Have him hold it right there and use the fucking tire spoons, you retards. Why don't we YouTube how to remove a fucking tire?
Don't worry, we're making that video right now.
No, you're making the video how not to remove a tire.
No, I'm making.
Go!
Figure
it out.
Fuck it, I'm going to Google.
Alright.
Hey, no, really? You can't fucking figure it out?
We already told you guys how to change it.
I knew how to do it, then I do it, but I can't do it.
No, don't you yell at me like that.
Yeah, that's squeeze.
Is anyone telling him to move it? Like, why is he moving it?
The forks are already all the way together.
What's the thing here?
Well, the forks don't have that much pressure to it, yeah.
Well, they need to stick a tire iron in there before they freaking press it all the way down. All I have to do is get one lip of the tire over the rim.
Hey, genius idea. I didn't search something like that. I bet we have it great.
Jeez.
Dude, they are. I swear. I don't even know what's going on there.
Flip this up.
There's any C4? Just cut it off. Get a sawzall, cut the tire off. Yeah. Hope he tips over. When the tires get up off the ground. It's fucking all jacked.
Look at James. Freaking tire iron weighs more than him.
Oh my god, oh
Oh.
my god, a breakthrough has occurred.
Don't stop now. You. No, you don't have to move. Don't make.
I looked it up on YouTube and it says nothing
No,
about
you
using
don't have to
shafts.
move it. Just get the tire irons in there. Just pull the fucking rim out.
Oh, there you go. Oh my gosh. Oh. Now put the new one on.
Now that we proved we can
Waste a lot of time.
waste time.
I bet we'll do the second one like twice as fast.
No, I wouldn't put that bet down.
Now the hard part. Which way does it go on?
Direction rotate that way. The front of the rim is right here, so this part's gotta go right there. I don't know, I think. I couldn't even tell you. I'm just saying. It doesn't. It does. It does.
Shallow, higher in fucking.
It travels, spins this way.
So is it gonna be?
Yeah, this.
So it's gonna go in like flat.
There's not another backhoe sitting right
I have a
there.
feeling this is not how you do it.
I know.
It is how you do it. Okay.
Listen to me. Look. How are you guys not taking me serious?
Yeah, better just gonna push the rim down into the tire.
No, not that way, because that thing has a little piece on it. And I like spread them out a little bit. I don't know.
Get the fuel black fender? Yes.
Well, see here, why I can't blow it like that, so you kind of already get it.
So it's not working at all. Like,
The way, you know.
It only took like an hour.
Who ended up helping?
I did it.
DFC Janes, listen to Corporal Cruzon. Bullshit! Corporal Cruzon, can you vouch for me on this one?
How about you just hurry up and change the damn tires so we can go home? Well, wait, you know what? Until you guys get this done, we don't go home. So the more you joke around and fucking wait, the longer we stay here.
Meg's going home.
15, 13, 17.
No, we're a platoon. We are a whole.
The Mex are still trying to figure out how to read fucking a TM trouble code. I just showed them out.
You guys made me trim?
Yes.
No, for the grader.
No, it's not!
See, this is what it's like to be a drone instructor during the prison.
I'm being serious.
No.
Just trying to get one lip on it.
We got it off. We just gotta get it back on.
2 hours.
They finally got it off.
Hey, before you fuck the tire off, put some soap on it.
Hey, what do you do?
I've already said that. You shouldn't have said that. I said it like probably 4 times now.
Hey, somebody will get soap. You gotta get soap. You gotta get soap. Stop.
Don't go.
If you fuck it up,
There's grease right there.
grease. There you go. Grease.
Dude, no, we got fucking...
What's on its way?
All right.
Oh, you got time with it?
Fist deep.
Matt, enough grease?
Oh, yeah.
Blooper juice, you want some of that too? Slide right in.
You need more grease. You need 2 handfuls at least.
Oh, yeah.
Rub it on the tire.
Where's that guy right there?
Hey, have you we're greasing like the side of the rim of the tire on the trim? They got a trim tire.
No, we fucking clean it off.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah.
The backhoe's supposed to be the easy tire. It's supposed to be the easy tire.
This was supposed to be the easy tire.
Yeah, it's easy for somebody who knows.
With a little common sense.
It's just like changing a dirt bike tire. Oh.
We didn't get it yet, so.
Hey, smooth work, you get it off. Smooth work, you get it back on.
Yeah.
They're listening to us saying all this.
Actually, well, it's actually upside down too. It should be the other way around.
That's the correct way.
No, I'm talking about. See how the rim divots in right there? This needs to be the other way. For it to be able to slide on or off.
Oh, yeah, I mean, they should have put it on the other way. It would have been a lot easier.
Sealed it!
Other side, flip it around. Use the fucking trap.
Oh, okay, gotcha. That's nothing made
Calm down, calm down.
Look up, see how
Right there. Now you gotta get it off me.
You messed that beat up. It's coming out of your paychecks.
Hey, don't forget to grease it.
Lube it up.
This side.
Don't forget to grease it.
Before it went hard.
You
Not
got
hard, before it
get on it beforehand, right? Let it go and dry.
This is the part that, who was it, out here the other day? Was it Raymond and them trying to put it on? And you came out here and you're just like, just do this. What'd you do? I don't even remember.
The same exact thing, except it's not as messy. Whatever.
I didn't realize they did more cowbell. AKA grease. Like I saw the
Cut!